What's up guys, welcome to Oz Wealth and welcome to another video. So man, do we have a pretty volatile red day in the market today? Finally a red day after a non-stop green days for almost 2 weeks. As you see here, the Dow is down almost 0.5%, the S&P 500 0.5%, Nasdaq almost 1%, and the only index up today in green is the Russell 2000. So volatility is back. When it comes to the sectors, real estate today is taking the lead for the first time in 2 weeks with 1.39%, followed by utilities, healthcare, communication services. The biggest loss today for energy, 4.11%. And who doesn't want energy to be on the red? With all the rally and the gains energy scored the last 2 weeks, 3% almost every day. I think it's time for energy to take a break, and with all the uncertainty and the unpredictability of the market next week, hopefully the energy will go lower to where it was, like ExxonMobil around $41, Pembina around $23, Chevron around $88, which is going to be an awesome opportunity for buying those stocks on discount. And as for the news in the market, we got 30,000 National Guard troops expected to Washington, D.C. to protect the Capitol for the inauguration of Joe Biden next week. So we do have a lot of volatility in the pipeline for next week, and if there will be any more riots or turmoil going on after the new president from another party is taking over, I think we might be able to grab cheap dips. So I'm keeping pretty cash heavy for those next few days. And really quick on Biden's stimulus plan, I finally received my $600 stimulus check today. And guess guys what we're going to do with it? You're right, 10 shares of Realty Income, or maybe 4 shares of Apple, or I think it's time to stack up on Arkk ETF, which I really am a big fan of. I'm on the road to get it to almost 20 or 30 shares by the mid of 2021. So let's dive into my portfolio and take a look. As you see here, it was a down day, and after hour the market actually went even down more, a little bit of a pullback, nothing crazy. I'm down like 1%, as you see here, $577. For the week I'm up, I'm actually flat, like $18 gain. For a month I'm up 8.44%, $4,288. For 3 months I'm up 22%, almost $10,000. For the year I'm up 35%, almost $14,533, and for overall I'm up 36%, $14,677. So going over the stocks I was considering buying today, let's start with Apple. I click on Apple, and as you see here, for the months Apple basically was going sideways for over the last month. The same thing for Microsoft. Was pretty much flat. The same thing for Amazon. If you check on the months, it's pretty flat. And Tesla is the only stock that is overly extended for the last month, as you see here, 32%. So except Tesla, the 3 big giants of the S&P 500, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, were on a break today, flat for the last month, complete sideways. And if we add Tesla to it, which makes the 20% of the S&P 500, I'm talking about Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Tesla, for today, they were all in a sleeping mode, going to the red. While they did nothing, the other 80% of the market were overly heated, overly extended, and they were doing the heavy lifting. Financial, energy, small cap, value stocks. So it might appear like it's a calm, quiet market while the 4 giants of the S&P 500 were in a sleeping mode, but all the pressure was on the other 80% of the index. And that's why we see all the 80% that they were doing the heavy lifting for the last 4 weeks starting to fall back. So with all big giant stocks going sideways today, I decided to continue building my position with Arkk ETF. For those who don't know what Arkk is, ticker symbol RKK, and this ETF is a collection of 50 companies. They cover 5 sectors. Those sectors are actually on fire. I'm talking about electric vehicles, 5G, genome, biotech, artificial intelligence. This ETF last year scored 165% gain. And for those who don't know who Kathy Wood is, please Google her name. She is the manager of this ETF. So my plan is to dollar cost average, build my position with Arkk. Hopefully I will get to 30 shares by mid 2021, toward 50 to 60 share by the end of the year. As for the dividends I received today, I received 4 different checks from 4 different companies, and those are Pembina, I received a $7 check, Mainstream Capital sent me $10 check, and Realty Income $23 check, and Stag sent me $6 check, and a sum up of $30, $40, $47. That's like my phone bill, guys. It's the magic of the compound effect taking off. Coming back to my main dashboard for my investing portfolio, as you see here, I'm down 1%, $72,947. The income got increased today by $2 after adding the 1 share I purchased for Arkk, but the rest remained the same. If you see the scroll down here to my positions, Apple is down, AGNC is almost flat. Everything here, as you see, is in red. Stock remaining green is Consolidated Edison, which is a utility stock, and utility stocks in general are very well known as a defensive stocks or recession-proof stocks, especially when the market goes sideways or downward. Hormel is up 2% today, unexpectedly. Intel 2.8 down, Johnson & Johnson almost flat, Coca-Cola continue going down 1.1%. And the rest are either flat or toward the downside, but overall 1%, I don't think it's much with all the going on in the market politically and economically. And I think the market is still pretty stable, and we'll look forward for next week to how things will pan out. That's it, guys, for this week. If you have not signed up to Robinhood yet, links are in the description below. You can get a free stock from Robinhood. It's a win-win deal, and if you have not smashed the like button, please do so. You can kick it, hit it, smack it, do something to it. It will mean a lot to me, and if you like the content of this channel in general, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. And until next time, you guys take care.